How to change S Pen sound when insert or remove it on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra. First of all, open the S Pen. Now find the Galaxy store. Tap on it. Now search for the good lock option. If you can't install it on your device and tap on it. Now tap on open from the bottom right side. Now tap on makeup from the bottom middle. Now scroll and install the Fantastic on your device. Now you can see downloading. When complete the process, tap on it. Now tap on Fantastic to customize your S Pen. Here you can change your S Pen pointer. Here we see the sound, default sound by default. Here you can see basic sound when you insert or remove S Pen on your device. Heart, crocro, Lisa, cooki, Bobby. You can also set custom sound. Here you can add sound from your device. Select the sound you want to use when you remove S Pen or insert S Pen. Here we select heart option. Tap on it to set. Now tap on use this sound. Now insert and remove pen and you can hear the sound. When you remove S Pen also hear the sound. So it's quite easy to change the S Pen sound when you insert or remove it on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra using good lock. That's it. If you like it, share it.